Hello guys and welcome to AlgoCraft. Today we are solving the Leetcode problem number 1491, average salary excluding the minimum and maximum salary. So first I will read the question, then we will dive into the approach, then we will do live coding in front of you. So let's read the question. You are given an array of unique integer salary where salary of I is the salary of ith employee. You have to return the average salary of employee excluding the minimum and maximum salary. So what we have to do is, we have given the salary array over here. So the first salary means in the example number 1, here the 4,000. So the 4,000 is the salary of first employee. The 3,000 is the salary of second employee. 1,000 is the salary of third employee. And 2,000 is the salary of fourth employee. So what we have to do over here is, we have to just exclude the minimum and maximum salary. So first we have to find the minimum salary and the maximum salary in this array. So we can see that the minimum is 1,000 over here and the maximum is 4,000. So we'll exclude this both salary, 1,000 and 4,000. So we get 3,000 and 2,000. So what we'll do is, we'll just add these both salaries. 3,000 plus 2,000 is 5,000, and its average will divide it. Its average is divided by 2. So 5,000 divided by 2 is 2,500. Then we'll return the answer in double. So we just have to convert integer from double. I will let you know that how we can convert this integer to double in our video. So now let's see the example number 2. Here the salary is given 1,000, 2,000 and 3,000. Here maximum value is 3,000 and the minimum value is 1,000. So we got 2,000. So the average of 2,000 will be 2,000, because 2,000 divided by 1 is equals to 2,000, and we just have to return the value in double. So we'll put 50 over here. Now I will let you know my approach with you. Now let's dive into the approach. Okay, so here I took the reference of example number 1. So what we'll see, that the array of S is equals contains the salaries that are displayed in this. So our approach is, what I have done is, I have take the reference of example number 1 over here. So we got 4,000 over here, 2,000, 1,000 and 3,000. So what we'll do is, we'll just make a variable called minimum and maximum, and then find its sum. So we will add all these elements in the sum value. We'll iterate throughout the array and add all these elements to the sum. So sum plus equals to S of I. And then what we'll do in minimum and maximum, first we'll store 4,000, means the first value. First we'll store the first value in minimum and maximum. Then we'll check that 4,000 is smaller than the salary of I. Means minimum is smaller than salary of I or not. If it is smaller, then we don't have to do anything. And if it's not smaller, then we have to update the minimum value. So the minimum would be 2,000. And we'll check in maximum that the maximum value is greater than this value. So yeah, this is greater, so we don't have to do anything. Now we'll go in another element. We'll see that the minimum value is smaller than this element or not. So no, it is not smaller, so we'll cut this element. We'll update our minimum value. So now we'll store 1,000 in our minimum value. Then we'll check that our maximum value is greater than this element or not. So yes, it is greater than this element. So we don't have to do anything. Then we'll go on to the last element of the array. Then we'll check that our minimum is smaller than this number. So yes, this is smaller, so we don't have to do anything. Then we'll check that our maximum is greater than this element. So yeah, it is greater, so we don't have to do anything over here. Okay, so now let's dive into the code, and if I let you know the code, you will understand it more properly. So what we'll do over here, we'll just make maximum value is equals to salary. We'll place our maximum value at the 0th index of the salary, means the first value. I will copy this over here and paste because we have to make some variable also, and we have to make the minimum value also. Then we'll just iterate throughout the array. Here I will put int I is equals to 1 because we already have stored the 0th value in our variables. So I will put 1 over here. Then I will do salary dot length, and I will do I plus plus. Then I will check the condition that if our minimum value is smaller, our minimum value is greater than salary of I. If our minimum value is greater than salary of I, then we will do minimum is equals to salary of I. If our minimum value is greater, then I will check the condition that if our maximum value is smaller than our salary of I. If our maximum value is smaller than our salary of I, then I will do maximum is equals to salary of I. Then what we have to do at the last is we have to plus all the elements in the sum. So I will plus all of the elements, and then I will exclude these elements. So what I have to do for excluding is sum is equals to sum minus minimum minus maximum. So this will exclude my minimum and my maximum value, and I will create our answer variable, answer, which will store our answer. So I have to assign double in it because I will converting this integer to double. So we have to assign the double data type over here. So I will do sum divide by salary dot length minus 2. So why I put minus 2 value? So the average would be sum dot length minus 2 because I have excluded our minimum and maximum value. So I have excluded two values. So I will do minus 2 over here. Then at the last I will return my answer. Let's run the code. Now we will submit our code. So yeah, this is submitting. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any query, please comment down below. I will solve your doubt. Okay, so bye bye.